Where's the... Oh.
There you go. I'll take the lighter. Go out there and then...
I'm against this idea. I'm against this notion, you know.
Around in a circle. All over the place.
I'm highly against this notion.
Why?
I don't want to hit one of the cars.
No, you're not going to hit a car.
I don't need to get burned today.
Then keep it downwind of you. Point it in that direction.
No, it's like literally on fire.
Like hold it way above your head for a moment. That's good. Leave it at an angle though. Cool. Swing it around. Like up and down a little bit. See, this one goes a lot longer than the others.
Well, it's a meter. It's basically like 2 feet long, probably 2.5.
Okay, swing it around a little. Point it a little bit down. There we go.
I'm against this motion.
Cool. Nice finish.